Hi, my name is Hala, and today I will be walking you through how to access the QR code as a faculty member. On your left-hand side, when you log into CourseKey, you're going to want to click Management and click Courses. Here you will be able to see all the courses that you have access to. In order to pull up the QR code for your course, the first thing you want to do is click on the name of your course. Now, you have the ability to access the QR codes from this screen here. If you click on the three gray dots on each of these days and click Print Code, you'll have the ability to print out the QR code for that specific day. So you have the ability to go through here and go to any day you would like, click on the three gray dots and click Print Code, and it will allow you to print that code for that day. However, regardless if you print out the code ahead of time or use this method, when you click on today's session once class begins, and you will know that class has begun once it says active here in blue, it will pull up your QR code automatically to your screen. You have the ability to hide the QR code by clicking hide, and you have the ability to pull back up the QR code by clicking on this icon and it'll pull it back up. If you would like to pull up the QR code ahead of time, you have the ability to do so here. If you would prefer to pull up the QR code during the time of class and have it displayed on your screen, you always have the ability to click on today once class begins and pull up the QR code. Depends on your preference. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.